Hey guys, it's been a little bit. I'm Chris, and I'm gonna tell you just how exhausted and exhilarated I am at this point because of what's happened, and it's been fun. So stay tuned, let's go. So I first want to start off by saying thank you to the companies that are helping me with this, okay? Penguin CNC, thank you so much. Bits and Bits, your bits are absolutely incredible and they have been workhorses on this thing. And of course, VCarve Pro, made by Vectric Software, thank you guys so much. So I'm gonna link those companies down below, and I'm not obligated by them, but I'm gonna tell you that they have been instrumental in this business venture for me. So why am I exhausted and exhilarated? Well, it's for the same exact reason. I've had to make 2,400 individual pieces on this CNC. Now, it's a great CNC. It will run 12 hours a day, and sometimes I've had this thing running for 16 hours straight. It's liquid cooled, which is great, and so the spindle never really is in jeopardy of overheating, but it's relatively small. So I'll put it in perspective for you. The core bolt piece, the 90 degree, I can get about 80 something out of one sheet. Now I run 24 by 36 inch sheets on here, which is about the capacity, is perfect for this. So about 80 something pieces of those I can make out of one sheet, 33 of the backs, and only 21 pieces out of one sheet of the tops. That's a lot of cutting. And you can see over the past few weeks, my video production hasn't been what it was because I'm trying to fulfill all these orders. So I'm exhausted because of it, and I am exuberated. Exuberated? I am so excited because of it too as well. So the fact is that I have behind you a new shipping station. You saw it in my last video. I'm gonna go over a little bit more of it today, but I'm gonna tell you really the experience that has been pretty life-changing. And I want to tell you a little something about my wife as well. If you've seen my full-time video, me going full-time, you know I had to go full-time to be here for my kids, and I had to be here for her. She's going through a bout of chronic fatigue right now. It's been about 7 years, but it's his worst. It is at its worst right now. And so she's been bedbound for about 7 months still. So, but there's a cool kind of story about her that I'm going to tell you. Well, let's do it right now. Pretty cool, right? If I do say so myself, I know French cleats are kind of, well, they're kind of all over the place. People love them, people hate them, and I think they're unbelievably great. There is one bad side to French cleats, is that they do create a little bit of visual noise in a shop, if not done correctly. And I have been very guilty of that in the past. So, but before we get into any of this, I'm going to explain this system here. This is a wall control panel that I use these little cubbies for. And the story of my wife, and I told myself I can get through this because it's super sweet. These are bags of screws. And when I would fulfill an order, this was the biggest bottleneck. I would come and fill this order, and then I'd have to just pack up screws. Oh my gosh. Well, in one of her days where she was able to be awake, but still had to be in bed, she took the box of 5,000 screws, and she sat and she sacrificed her time and her energy as she bagged up all these individual bags of, like, if someone gets a 4-piece order or a 4-piece order, like it's chicken, a 4-count order. So she bagged up basically denominations of 1, 2, 3, and a bunch of 4s. And depending on how many people order, I can just put the bags together in any denomination and fulfill that so much simpler. It's been awesome that this system is now in place, and I can't thank her enough for it. And she did sacrifice a day of being somewhat awake and in bed to do something for me, and that was extremely sweet. So I at least want to thank her publicly here on this video, even though I've thanked her numerous times inside. Okay, so what you see behind me will be detailed this week, probably on Thursday or Friday, a full video of this. It is a ton of information and a lot of things that I want to share with you guys. But I will say this, right now on my website live are templates. I've had a lot of people order just one of these, and people have also requested that I really should make templates. That way people can just make what they want out of whatever material they want, and this is what this is for. So these templates are now available on the website down below. They're actually less expensive than just buying one unit. So that's pretty cool too. So make what you want. I just ask that you don't redistribute them for professional use. That's all I ask. So those are available, so check those out. And again, this video, I'm so ecstatic about how this whole thing turned out, about the new things that we're doing here at Glimpse Inside. And I really, really thank you guys for your support. It really means the world to me. It means the world to my kids, my wife, everyone here. And without you, I'm not doing this. And I can't believe I got to pinch myself every day that I get to do this for a living. And thank you so much. And to those of you who have ordered these tool holders in droves, thank you. It has been an eye-opening experience. It has definitely changed how I see this whole process. And I'm pretty invigorated to keep on moving. So y'all have a wonderful day, and check out everything we offer down below. Again, I really appreciate the support, and you guys rock. You absolutely rock. I'll see you later in the week detailing this. This is a good one. Be excited for it. See you then.